Hello everybody. Today is Wednesday the 9th, I think. And here's your weekly video from Indianapolis. Oh my goodness. Somebody did the cayenne and a cayenne down there. This one. Oh my, oh my. Let's see if we can get a couple out here. So you can see him. See the eyes open? Oh, there's a big Yonsei. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you guys show Nana how you can walk? Show Nana how you can walk now. Get away from her. Mama. Let her do it. Good girl. Look at that, everybody. Standing up by herself. Standing up by herself. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's some nice walking. Okay, there's another one, Momo. And here's another one, Momo. Here's another one, Lucy. Here they are, everybody. Look at them walk around. Aren't they cute? What's he doing, everybody? One's crying a little bit. Come on, don't need to cry. Don't need to cry. Naughty. Don't got nothing to cry about. What's she doing? Oh, big yawn. Oh, yeah, got to chew Mommy's finger, because that finger tastes awfully good. See, yeah, I like to chew on that finger, see, yeah. And that finger, see, yeah. I'm going to cry a little bit, too, yeah. I cry a little bit, too, see, yeah. Yeah, rah, 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 What was that, huh? What was that? What was that, huh? Get over here, you little rascal. What's she doing, huh? What's she doing? I'll tell you, we waste a lot of time watching these babies, guys. Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah. Do you think it's just easier to go over that one instead of going around, huh? You get over. Oh, look at that one go. Look at him go. Look at him go. We went just taking a little nap. That's it from Indianapolis this week. The phone's ringing, so I gotta say goodbye, folks. I don't know if I was doing